Hello everyone, and today we are on our 626th video today. Today's episode will be on unstitched suit, designer dresses and lovely pieces for the festive season. So I'll not waste time. I'll start with a lovely cotton linen kurta. It's a 3-piece unstitched set. Okay, the fabric is slightly blended. It is in art tussar. It is in art tussar but very comfortable. Astar is required for tussar fabric type material. The front is already done, the yoke part with lace, crochet, and the body comes with katha and sequins. If you see close up, you can see the flowers are adorned with katha work. Even the lower border will also have the work. So this is a kurta. If you want the length to be shortened, just cut the border and put it above. It comes with a cotton bottom and a katha embroidered dupatta. So see, all you have to do is just stitch the sides and use the astar. So this, even if you don't use astar, it will not be a problem, but better for comfort feel, you can use a nice cotton soft astar. And see, the yoke is already done, so it's a very smart semi-stitched 3-piece set. So another color option is this blue shade. This also is highlighted with katha work and this lovely printed katha dupatta. So these are very pretty one. Traditional for work wear, and it also comes with the bottom. So all 3-piece semi-stitched set. Next one, I'll show you this tissue woven chanderi with handwork. Very lovely soft pastel shade, and it is totally handwork. The yoke, the color is an aqua blue color. The dupatta comes with the woven digital dupatta and the bottom. Am I looking like a scarecrow? But anyway, this is I want to show the all 3 pieces. The dupatta is lovely. It has a very pretty gold zari weave and bordered, very rich looking 3-piece set. I'll show color options in this. We have this gray color also. All these are lovely, and let me open my dupatta. It will be easy for me to hold the pieces. So here is the set. All comes with the matching bottom, okay? Dupatta diya na. This is again another tissue linen kurta with handwork. Tissue linen kurta with handwork and lovely floral. See, we've given a lot of emphasis on the dupattas also. The dupattas, see, this is the 3-piece set. Handwork. If you see the close-up, it's handwork. And this is the dupatta. Very, very pretty piece. This is with this yoke. Front there will be linen print with the katha dupatta in floral. This is the bottom part. All comes with a matching bottom. This is the set. Very smart piece, beautiful, very smart piece. The whole dupatta is with katha highlight with sequins, soft lime green color. The yoke with work. The back will be plain. Of course, it will have the self print. Handwork, fully handwork linen set. This is another lovely shade. See, I'll just show the dupatta first. This is the yoke part. See, the yoke will also have the embroidery. And like the previous one, the daman has this crochet. ये नीचे में आएगा. So very pretty linen 3-piece unstitched set. We have the tailoring unit, so if you want the suits to be stitched, we'll connect you to the tailoring department. You can tell your size, virtual measurements possible, video calls possible, so we can do your tailoring and courier it to you. Stitching charges depending on if you want lining, if you want design, whatever. And this is the dupatta. All over embroidery, handwork, and what I'm showing now, all handwork pieces. Very smart piece, fully handwork with a floral printed check dupatta and the bottom. Very smart piece. The color is a peach color with full handwork. Fabric is cotton linen. And the dupatta. Next, I'll show you this linen again. So linen is in, and linen looks very classy and totally, see, with all handwork yoke, and this is the dupatta. Very classy linen. I mean, it's just beautiful. Bottom. So all comes with a matching bottom. Printed dupatta, very smart, and see the work closely again. Color option is this green. দুপাট্টা আর পাটা একসাথে দাও, একসাথে দাও দুপাট্টার ওড়নাটা হলো কুর্তা। Dupatta bottom. This is just the combination of the previous peach color that I showed, usi ka color option. All the prices are mentioned. Stitching time 2 weeks, and courier charges you need to pay. Cash on delivery in Kolkata, only 2 stores in Kolkata: 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Tailoring unit is there in both the branches. We have the blouse stitching options available also. This is pure Mangalgiri. Pure Mangalgiri vegetable dye original rapid prints with a cotton matching bottom. Ample options to use the borders. This is for formal occasions. Handwork. Party wear look, you can make as a pant and a kurta. You can wear it as a, long kurta with a flared skirt. बहुत सारा डिजाइन देकर आप बना सकते हो. These are very traditional, unusual, pure rapid prints, hand embroidered 3-piece unstitched set, and they look very, very classy. फॉर बुकिंग एक व्हाट्सएप कीजिएगा, नो फोन कॉल्स, फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस, 7603042696, ओनली वन नंबर में व्हाट्सएप कीजिएगा। पेमेंट डिटेल्स हम दे देंगे आपको अगर प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल होगा तो, और पेमेंट के बाद आप आपका पेमेंट डिटेल्स हमें भेज दीजिएगा। वील चेक द पेमेंट and we'll courier it to you after 2 to 3 working days. These are the color options of pure Mangalgiri rapid print handwork 3-piece traditional sets. These are Chanderis. Previous one was Mangalgiri. This is pure Chanderi. Chanderi by Chanderi. Very pretty soft colors. Now this is again in linen with a dupatta in floral and bottom. ये फ्लोरल दुपट्टास बहुत सुंदर लगता है, बहुत gives a very nice flowy look and सोबर, बहुत सोबर है। और इसमें भी आप जैसे बताए, इसमें काम देखिए, ये हाथ का काम है, हैंड वर्क विद बीड एंड मिरर्स। Another color option is this with the bottom। सबके साथ आपका मैचिंग बॉटम आएगा, हम अगर मिस भी कर जाए तो इसमें आ जाएगा। Three-piece set। Now I'll show you two beautiful pure tussar Gara Parsi set. Pure tussar Gara Parsi set, full handwork in deep red color, comes with a matching bottom। चिनॉन का दुपट्टा है विथ हैंडवर्क, इसमें ये बॉर्डर में भी काम है, ये वाला बॉर्डर में भी हैंडवर्क है। दिस इज द दुपट्टा, डीप रेड। प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 11,500। प्योर टसर फुल हैंडवर्क जाल गारा पारसी 3-piece set. These are so unusual. Pure Gara Parsi handwork 3-piece set. Now I'll show you the kurtas. Sizes available. All the sizes are mentioned in the screenshot. Sizes, so we have 38, 40, 44, 46, 48. So all these sizes are available. Straight cut, side slit kurtas in soft cotton silk rayons. Very pretty with handwork. Color option, onion, grey. Straight cut, very flowy, muslin type fabric, beautiful, not see-through, with block print. This can be used as a dress or as a flared kurta with palazzo. This is only, these what I'm showing are without pants, only kurtas. This you can use as a dress and tie it 3200, number 19. Very flowy, summery fabric. And color is brown. This is with mirror mark. This is the back side, reverse side, and we have the cullies attached. For booking, only inquire for the sizes mentioned. Like this has 40 and 44 only. So in between sizes not available. So if you want the in between size, please don't inquire for those. That will not be available, and maybe during taking the booking, if I miss out, please don't inquire for the sizes which is not mentioned. And courier charges you need to pay, cash on delivery in Kolkata only. This is again another cotton kurta, straight cut, pink color with work. Very smart, pretty look. Number 20, 1900 only, washable kurtas with work. Straight cut without any bottom, only kurtas. Another beautiful shade of this coral color comes with this pure organza, silk organza gota patti, pink color dupatta. Another lovely hand Parsi embroidered tussar 3-piece set. This price is 8,990 rupees, 8,990. This comes with bullion stitch, mirror work, hand mirror work, all over embroidery in the front. Sleeves will also have work, comes with a matching bottom. The previous one was all over Gara Parsi, so it was premium range, little higher range, because it was all original Parsi work. This is bullion stitch but all handwork, so it's much cheaper, and it comes with real mirrors and sequins. Price 8,990. And the next one, I'll show you a very pretty original vegetable dye pure chandeli handwork set with the dupatta and a cotton matching bottom, block printed cotton matching bottom. So these kind of unstitched 3-piece sets also available in more variety and colors. 4,990 for this jade green color 3-piece, very classy handwork with beadwork set. 4,990. Now I'll show you some lovely dupattas. Ghatchola dupatta, bandhej, pure bandhej ghatchola dupatta in red. For the festive season, suppose you are whole day you're in work and you're wearing a plain solid color kurta, just change the dupatta. You can go to any festive occasion. These are so traditional. Pure Georgette, original Raidana bandhej with ghatchola weave. Green. This is shaded. Wear it with lehengas, wear it with skirt and top, wear it, style it with your sets. Now I'll show you some lovely Katha pure tussar dupattas. Katha pure tussar all over Guriran Katha dyed dupatta. Lovely colors, just tone on tone dyeing. Dark and light shade of green. So all the concept will be, just a border dyed and the body will be in a contrast shade. Very pretty handwork, pure tussar. These are not the regular quality. Usually these are for, export designs. These are very unusual pieces, very, very pretty one. Tussar burgundy with charcoal black. So beautiful with prominent work all over Katha. And these work are very, very fine work. After a long time, I'm showing dupattas because I keep on showing saris. But trust me, we have a great collection of all range of pure tussar Katha dupattas. All handwork, and these are the heavy quality tussar Kathas. Our Katha dupattas and stoles available from 2,200. We have cottons also. Just take the screenshot, WhatsApp only 76030429696. First come, first serve basis. We have the tailoring unit and also cash on delivery option in Kolkata. We ship worldwide. The shipping charges depends on the weight and destination. As for our address, 2C Confil Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Till Durga Puja, we are open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night, including Sundays we are open. So this is a lovely shade in a coffee and mustard color. Biscuit and coffee. So how are you liking the videos? Please do comment. Subscribe कीजिएगा. Every day we come out with new reels, videos, either in Instagram Sanskriti Kolkata or in Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, and of course your favorite YouTube channel. Lovely shades. You can use this as later for your kurta or jacket, blouses. बिकॉज दीज आर प्योर टसर एंड हैंडवर्क, ये कभी भी पुराना नहीं होगा। और हमारा जो काम है ये सब एकदम नया टाइप है, नॉट द रेगुलर काथा दुपट्टास। दीज आर ब्यूटिफुल शेड्स एंड ये दीज गो कॉमन कलर बहुत सारा कुर्ता के साथ आपका चला जाएगा। दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रिटी, वेरी यूनिक। व्हाइट कुर्ता, टसर कलर कुर्ता, रॉयल ब्लू कुर्ता, बेज कुर्ता, बहुत सुंदर वर्क है। वाओ, दिस कलर कॉम्बिनेशन इज सुपर्ब। We look forward to your comments. Now I'll show you some silk tie and dye all over dupattas. Shaded silk with all over same work. So these usually you can use later also for jackets, patchwork, blouses, menswear. Very pretty. Color option for these silks. Previous ones were tussar, these are Bangalore silk. Traditional saris, suits, dupattas, jackets, dhotis, jewelry, all under one roof, Sanskriti. वर्क इज वेरी नीट, ऑल ओवर वर्क, फिर भी काम बहुत सुंदर, छोटा स्टिच का काम है एंड वेरी प्रिटी वन ऑल्सो। ब्लैक, see all the prices we've clearly mentioned so that you don't have confusion of asking the price. Everything is mentioned in detail. Now I have some cotton ones for you. Worldly work in cotton. So as I said, our dupattas start from all ranges. So these are pure cotton, but काम देखिए all over work है। 36 inches width and 2.5 meter. काम के वजह से 10 centimeter छोटा हो सकता है, but basically the fabric is width 36 inches and 2.5 meters. Black multi, एंड तक पूरा काम आएगा। Basically, it's better to use these dupattas like this, instead of all over like this. I think, yeah, see, this is how the length will be. You can put it both ways. Beautiful, see? अच्छा लग रहा है। Very smart piece. Red. Cottons. These are all cotton ones. Black with white. The previous one was with tussar work. This is with white work. Next, I'll show you two very pretty dupatta on high demand. Georgette with machine Parsi. Georgette dupatta with all over exactly like the designs that we make for the original hand Gara Parsi sarees and dupattas. वो सब तो बहुत बहुत costly हो जाता है. So to keep the range budget friendly, same design we've done it in Georgette dupatta machine work. So and it's क्या बात, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है और इसका काम पूरा all over है. Price only 3990. This is the maroon color, and I have a lovely baby pink shade also. Very smart piece. The color is lovely. And lastly, I'll show you the one that I'm wearing. I'm wearing a very unusual soft silk fabric. With yoke embroidery. These are all, we've made some festive collection of suits, stitched 3-piece sets in premium designs, premium quality, premium designs. And see, the hand has lovely detailing. So those who want to wear kurta suit sets for the festive occasion, jo sari manage karna ya pandal hopping, or anyway you want to go to some festive occasion and you are avoiding wearing a sari, you don't have time, you want to quickly look gorgeous. So these are the new collection of our festive Diwali is coming, so many occasions down the line. So very pretty pieces, the yoke work, and see the cut, the pattern with the plazo. The plazo will have front belt and back elastic with the cord. So it's very easy to drape. And the dupatta, it's pure super soft silk organza with work and scalloping. We have the price of this is 6990. 6990 comes with the silk lining. 6990, and sizes available is 38, 40. We have margin inside. 38 and 40 is available, but 38 can be increased to 40. 40 can be increased to 42. So 2 sizes, price 6990, silk 3-piece set, ready-made stitched straight cut with side slit for formal 3-piece sets, formal wear. Another color option of mine is this black one. So इसमें ये हाथ का काम है, मेरे में भी hand and machine मिलाकर, ये जो डबके का काम है, ये मल का काम है, ये फ्रेंच नॉट है, ये सारा पूरा हैंड वर्क है. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, ये जरी का पूरा काम हैंड वर्क है, और जो स्लीव्स में है ये रेशम का, ये मशीन वर्क है. तो 2 कलर ऑप्शन मैंने इस कॉन्सेप्ट में बनाया. वेरी सॉफ्ट कंफर्टेबल सिल्क फैब्रिक एंड कम्स विद दिस ऑर्गेन्जा दुपट्टा एंड द प्लाजो. ब्लैक में हमारा 2 साइज है. अच्छा, एक बात बता दूं, ये वन सिंस दिस फैब्रिक इज प्रीमियम क्वालिटी एंड इसमें थोड़ा सा फिनिशिंग डिटेलिंग ये सारा थोड़ा सा ज्यादा मेरा कॉस्ट पड़ा. सो लाइक यू सी ये जो फिनिशिंग है नीचे का, दिस इज फुल्ली ऐसे करके देखिए पूरा फिनिशिंग कैसा दिया है हमने. बहुत सुंदर इसका सारा फिनिशिंग है. तो इसमें 2 प्राइस है. Till 42 is one price, and the same thing if it's bigger size, उसमें प्राइस में थोड़ा सा फर्क है क्योंकि फैब्रिक और कारीगरी मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा लगा. मेरा कारीगर मांगा, मैंने मना नहीं किया. I could have kept an average price, but as you know, we always try to be very open about the prices. So इसमें 2 साइज का, 2 लार्ज साइज, बिगर साइज में प्राइस में फर्क है. So the price difference will be 1000 rupees for a regular size and a bigger size में फर्क आएगा. तो please bear with that. But these are very unusual piece and you will love the sets. The jewelry that I'm wearing, 1700 is just the pair of earring. A very pretty stone, very prominent, lovely jade green color stone setting. This set is 1700. And my set price in 2 sizes, 6990, the black smaller size and the plus size 7990 and 6990. So thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with another Dhamaka episode soon. Till then, watch our Facebook Live and our Reels. Thank you so much.